Welcome to lesson 2 of this chapter on opening CRM for the first time. In this video, I'm going to take you through the landing page, and I'm also going to show you how to work the navigation bar in CRM. As a reminder, we're following the coffee company and their path to successfully using CRM. In this scenario, we have Mia, the marketing manager, and Stormy, who works in sales. Mia has just told Stormy that most of the work she'll be doing will be done from within CRM. And Stormy, as a response to that, says, in that case, I'd better open up CRM and see what it's all about. The first step to successfully navigating Zoho CRM is to understand the layout. And that's what we'll be discussing in this video. With that, let's jump straight in. When you open up CRM, you'll open in the Home module. From here, you'll see a simple dashboard style view, which has a summary of all the activities related to Stormy. Some of the things you'll see are her open deals, some of her tasks that you may have, or some of her leads. As you work in CRM more and more, this dashboard will be filled up accordingly. Let's take a closer look at the top navigation bar. On the left side of the navigation bar, you have all of your modules in CRM, such as leads, contacts, and accounts. Your modules are where the different pieces of information in CRM are stored. As a simple comparison, if Zoho CRM were a house, the modules can be seen as the various rooms in the house. Just as each room has a unique furniture and a unique purpose, each module in Zoho CRM stores different kinds of data and has a unique function. Some of the modules that we'll have a closer look at in this course include the Leads module, Contacts, Accounts, and Deals modules. Let's take a look at the right side of the navigation bar. From here, you can perform some functions like creating, searching. You'll also be able to change your settings or access your account. Now that you understand the basic layout of CRM, we can start having a look at the key modules. We'll do this in the next lesson.